I got to move. Oh, I gotta get next to you. But you're so far away. Searching for a heart another world away. You're the fire go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Jody and David show. Right now, we moving with my partner, my other partner in crime. I call him Batman, he's Robin, and we just moving stuff right now to the new apartment. This is part one. So later on, we're gonna show you the new apartment in a few. Catch you later.
So guys, today's moving day. I'm bringing my pillows and I'm taking stuff out to put in the U-Haul truck. So stay tuned, guys. We're so excited. Stay tuned. So guys, my husband making me move stuff. You see? I'm moving tables. My back is so my back is so tired right now, guys. I'm hungry. He's making me starve. Alright. So we are here now. So guys, we are almost finished. We're gonna get the U-Haul to take up the bed and my husband workout sets. So we're gonna have lunch now. It's not lunches yet. We're gonna have breakfast right now before we start doing stuff again. So guys, stay tuned and let's see how later turn out to be. And the gamer is coming out with his game set, everything. He's a game pro. Look at it, look at it. Babe, what is that? What do you have in your hand?
My speakers.
Your speakers? So guys, that's Gio, my husband's best friend.
No, that's Simra.
Okay, whatever.
That's Simra.
Look at them struggling with the bed.
Oh guys, we're in the other building right now. You know, we halfway done. We got the big TV, the big bed, and the other crib. Yeah. And after this, we're about to eat. You know how we do.
Yeah, I know.
Eat. Do it. Come on. Go ahead. Alright, put it down.
Get those big ass hands to work. Come on, don't do it. Pick it up. You got it.
No.
You got it, babe. You got it.
Nah,
You did it.
I can't do that. Come on,
Come on, I need
All
to.
you gotta do is push. Come on.
I can't
Pick it up.
I could do it, you
All you
can't.
gotta do is push. I got the rest of my shit. Go.
Wait. Hold on right there.
A few moments later.
What? No. Hey guys. Now we just unpacked a little bit. We have my office right here. I got my new monitor somewhere. I got a clipper right there. It's a 20-inch 4K gaming monitor, one of the best monitors. I have some cool speakers that I'm gonna put with my theme. I have a blue black theme. Like I'm a streamer, my gamer tag is blue chaos tornado. So I'm gonna have that. And I got my gamer chair. It's gonna come Tuesday or Wednesday to the house.
Yeah, throw that one away because Shadow ripped that one off.
Yeah,
His
this
cat.
one is all destroyed.
Yeah, ripped that one
Yeah.
off.
And we have a sofa coming
Today.
today. It is a sad part. We can't put no TV up because Can't mount it. But it's okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Your game set is gonna be moved, right? You're gonna move it?
My gym set.
Your gym set. Oh, gym set. You're gonna move it, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna move my gym set after we get the sofa.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move the gym set over there with your help.
With my help, I can't move it. That's our 55-inch TV right there. We put stuff so it could be blocked. We don't want it to break. Here, our bed. The bed head is coming, I think, Wednesday. Yep. My teddy bear can't do without her. Yeah. We got my husband normally in pain, so I got this one for him. See? I got this one for him. Yep. I'm gonna put away stuff soon. Yeah, that's my wedding dress right there. Yep. Hi, babe. Are you happy?
Yeah, babe.
Oh my god. The view, the trees, so pretty.
Babe, show me the right place?
Yes, we are in the right place, baby.
No, please do it.